Hi, this is Rod from Rod and Specs, and today we're on a 2003 vacant house. And the house looks like it's been repainted, looks real nice on the inside. But as we get to the HVAC unit, which appears to be a 2003 vintage unit, which would be original to the house, we pulled the air filter out, and let's take a look and see if we can see what the cold section looks like up underneath here. And you can see it looks like it has impacted lint and debris in there. The drain pan has rust in it, and that's an indication of leakage. The return air is very dirty up underneath here, and you actually have a filter, an old filter, laying in the bottom of the pan here. We will be recommending servicing on this unit, see if they can clean those coils out, and see if they can get the system up and running. Just another reason to have an inspection with Rod and Specs. Thank you.